Introducing our keyed glove box lock for the Can-Am Ryker. We previously launched a parking brake solution early in 2019 so that you had a way to lock your Ryker parking brake to keep others from simply rolling your beloved Ryker away. Due to popular demand, we now have a solution to lock your Ryker glove box. This push-button glove box lock is black to match your Ryker body panels and includes 2 keys to lock your Ryker glove box in seconds. We obviously don't recommend keeping anything of great value unattended, but this lock will hopefully deter would-be thieves enough to keep your trinkets safe while you're away. Start by opening your glove box and carefully remove the push latch catch pin by twisting and pulling it out through the hole on the left hand side of the bike. Now take some painter's tape and place it along the top edge of the trunk lid. Then fold your template along the dotted line so that you can place it along the outer border of the trunk lid and tape it down to hold it in place. Next, use a center punch on the middle dot of the template, and then take a 1-inch step drill bit to drill out the hole for the latch. Now remove the template and tape, insert your new lock, then slide on the lock washer, followed by the latch nut, and tighten it down nice and tight so that it doesn't twist freely. Next, take the catch latch template and fold it so that the dotted lines are aligned with the outer lip of the glove box and centered with the USB connector. Then use your center punch to mark the 2 screw holes on the template, and then carefully drill those out with the 1/16 drill bit, making 2 pilot holes for your catch latch. Now clean the surface area with an alcohol prep pad. Peel back the protective backing tape on the catch latch. Line up the holes on the latch with your 2 pilot holes, and then push down to secure it in place. Then take the 2 screws from the kit and install those through the grooves in the catch latch and into the 2 pilot holes to lock it down into place. Now test the latch and the lock to make sure it latches and stays closed when locked. If keeping your glove box under lock and key is on your list of to-dos, head on over to slingmods.com today and pick up one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.